Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of Saramonic CamMic. Now, this is my new microphone. The mic which I'm recording this video now is the Blue Yeti condenser microphone. So this is the sound quality. I'll be comparing the sound quality of Blue Yeti with the Saramonic new one. Now, why I purchased this? Because it's very handy, because the Blue Yeti is more for voiceover recording. Now, the Saramonic mic I can attach with my DSLR or my camera, or even it will work with my iPhone or Android phone. So let's start the unboxing, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So this is the packaging. You can see the Saramonic Cam microphone. Lightweight on camera microphone, this is what I was looking for. As you can see, I bought this in Dubai in UAE, so the price was 229 dirhams. So it will be like $62. I think it's a pretty good deal because this will be onboard mic, and I believe this has a very good noise cancellation. So when I'm going out and shooting outdoor, it will really help. Seeing the specification of the mic, you can see. So this is a condenser microphone with the directional polar pattern. It has a directional polar pattern, so it will pick up the voice coming from the front of the mic. It has a very decent frequency range, nothing like groundbreaking, but 40 Hz to 10K Hz. And also it has a very good sensitivity, so it will pick up your voice or sound even if you're a little bit far away from the mic. Also, this is quite lightweight, 75 gram, which is quite lightweight for a condenser mic. This is one of the main reason I bought this one. But yes, in terms of the size, it is a little bit big, you can say. Not very small, not very compact. Not like the Rode Video Mic Mini. It's something similar to Rode Microphone Pro. And you can easily attach this mic to the hot shoe mount in your camera. So some of the main feature of this mic is high quality directional microphone, rugged reinforced ABS construction. It has a very good windshield. You don't need to charge this mic. This will be auto charged by the camera battery itself. Let's do the unboxing. Now this is the warranty card. It has 1 year of warranty. This is the mic. I think this must be for the level of sound. If you turn it to the left, by default it's turned to the right, but if you turn it to the left, I'm sure this is for a better isolation of sound. Build quality looks supremely good, very modern, and it looks quite stylish. And this is the cold shoe mount which you can attach to your DSLR. And I also like the windshield protection. Let's see what else it comes with. So it has a TRS camera cable, 3.5 mm, so you can easily attach to your camera. Let's open it. So good thing is that it has the TRS camera cutout, so this you can attach with any camera you're using, or anything which supports 3.5 mm jack can be easily attached to, ideally used for cameras. And also there is a TRS smartphone cable. Now this is very handy, so if suppose you want to use the microphone with your smartphone, if you're vlogging or if you are doing your YouTube videos from your mobile phone, if you're a beginner or just you prefer a compact size mobile phone to do your YouTube videos or vlogging. So this is the TRS cable, which is also handy. For me, I will keep it inside because I don't think I'll be using the TRS cable. I have a mirrorless camera, which is my main go-to camera for my YouTube channel. I think that's about it. There is nothing else inside the box. The whole video was recorded in the Blue Yeti microphone, and now I will be shifting to the Saramonic CamMic, and let's see what is the difference. So now I'm recording from my iPhone 10. This is how you can mount the Saramonic CamMic to your DSLR or camera. Now the best thing about this, you can turn both the sides. So for me, I'm suppose doing a recording, I can turn this way, and the same way you can just remove from the hot shoe mount, and you can change the angle, and you can, if you're vlogging, you can just turn around and use the other way. So this is one of the main reason I bought this microphone. So this is the sound which is coming directly from the camera microphone itself, the inbuilt camera microphone. I haven't connected my Saramonic CamMic, so this is the sound quality coming directly from the camera microphone. Now I'm inside the room, so there is not much surround sound or disturbance, so I think even the camera mic can pick up the sound quite clearly. But definitely if I do the test outside the house or maybe in outdoor conditions with the wind blowing away, it might be a better comparison, to be very honest, but unfortunately I'm doing this inside the house now. I'll connect the mic and let's see what is the difference. So now this is the sound coming directly from the Saramonic Cam microphone. I'm sitting quite near to the microphone, so let me know in the comments if you find any big difference. So when you connect this microphone via TRS camera jack 3.5 mm, you don't need to go into the settings of the sound and do any changes. It will automatically pick up the audio from the microphone. I mean the Saramonic microphone, not by the inbuilt microphone. So this is one good thing. You don't have to go into the settings and do some changes. So this is how I sound. Now I will try to step back a bit and let's see if the microphone can pick up my sound. Now I'm 1 feet away from the microphone. Let's see if it can pick up my voice clearly. The good thing is that usually I shoot my videos indoor and this can be very handy for me. But yes, when I go outdoor, I hope it will do a better noise cancellation. But from inside the room, this is how I sound. So please let me know in the comments, did you like the comparison? How was the sound quality in the Blue Yeti compared to the Saramonic Cam microphone? And how was the sound quality from the inbuilt mic of Sony a6300, which is again my new go-to camera for my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this comparison and this video. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you want an outdoor comparison of the sound quality. I'll try to do that in my next video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.